today's video, we're back with this bad boy, and we're gonna finally get the bumpers off. We're addressing the exhaust, the air filter. We're getting ready, all right? We're preparing this thing to get lowered, and that'll actually be in the next video. We're gonna lower this thing, but we just got a little bit more work to do on it before we get there. So that's today's video. I want some fucking hot fries, bro. Alright, finally, dude, this thing gotta come off. Let's go. Come on, baby. There's the other one. As I was calling them, the BBL bumpers off. So we're gonna add something else to that in the future. Forgot to mention, we also put in some new vacuum lines. So we have the one that comes out over here. This goes in right there. And then this is the, I think this is the crankcase, which right here in the other video was missing. So yeah, you can see, got both of those lines in now. It was just something that was missing before. I never cleaned the air filter, and that was one thing that we were supposed to do. So I'm gonna get to it now. So it just has those clips around it. It should just come off. Actually, probably should pull off these vacuum lines. Pretty sure that's what we're looking at. Yeah, we can clean this out a bit, so I guess we'll see when we're back with this. We got the new air filter.
I'm gonna look closer.
We're back with the filter, so... this one's definitely better.
Oh, cleaner.
What up, Brian?
That is good,
Yo,
Andrew.
gentlemen, Brian makes an appearance in the video.
Yes, sir.
Alright,
Are you-
there's a fucking hole through the side of this shit. They like tried to make it, I don't fucking know. Whatever. Anyways. Out with the old, in with the new.
3.
Alright,
Bunch of just holes in this.
there we go. That's done.
How do you get the better?
There we go. Look at that thing. Oh yeah, give it one or two more. Oh yeah. All right.
Yay, it fits.
It's time to go under, Cole. right, next up to go are these shocks, because they are completely frozen. Like, they don't move at all. So those got to come off. I am now realizing everything on this car has to get grinded off, because these shocks are also fucking rusted fucking on this shit. All right, there's the bottom of this thing out. This thing is frozen. Gotta do the top next. This bitch come out. This motherfucking side gotta come off next. Come on out, motherfucker.
Run my lawn, dog. Every day. Acid.
What the fuck? I gotta go this way? We got one more up there too. And then we gotta do the other side. All the shocks are cut off now. That was a little bit of a pain in the ass because everything was fucking rusted on. But now we're actually gonna go back to the exhaust because I ran out of welding gas, so I only ever just cut it and kind of clamped it into place. So we're gonna finish that up now, and we're gonna create a little bit more of a like a side pipe kind of design, because it needs an exhaust temporarily. So we're gonna get to that right now. Dual outlet, so I think we'll just have it come right here, you know, temporarily, do some side pipes, you know, might as well make it look cool, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and see if this could work. Damn, y'all, that boy Andrew wasn't kidding, yo. I do need some new gloves. Look at this shit. Goblin stance. Here, we're gonna come down, bend it this way, and then we're gonna cut it here, get this other bend it that way, you know, so it goes something like that. Then we're gonna attach this, and then this is that dual exhaust tip that are gonna go here. I think it'll work for now. So let's get to work. All right, there we go. So we got the two pipes now. I'm gonna go for something simple like this, like that. All right, I say it's time we weld this thing up. All right, gentlemen, it's time to get welding. Not too bad, boy. Okay. Now that that piece was made, I brought it back, measured it. This one, we gotta cut this off so it's pretty much like this side, just flat on both ends. We're gonna nib this little portion off right here, so that way it'll pretty much be like flat with it here, and then I could just weld the other side flat on here, and that'll get it so the body of the car will be right here, so this will just barely stick out the side of the car. And I'm gonna put it on an angle like this so it doesn't look like it's hanging so much lower from the frame. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and weld it up. I think standing up like this, just because it's a little easier for me to see what I'm doing. So we're gonna figure out how we can do that. Let me turn this on and get this going. Hold on. All right, gentlemen, we got some Pretty clean welds in there. Not too shabby, not too shabby. It's it's now raining pretty hard out there, so I think I'm gonna pack it up for right now, and we'll get back to it the next day. But at least we got these two bad boys welded together. We got the rest. Just gotta put it together. What up? We are back. Beautiful day. Time to get back on the exhaust. Bro, I don't even have a welding wrench. What am I doing now? This piece is now done. That's what we're working with. Let's go get it on the car. All right. So that's what we're working with. Pretty simple. Made it with some scraps. Oh, jeez. So this is supposed to just slide on here, and this is what we're working with. This is what we're going to be looking at. Pretty much something like that. Son of a bitch. The welder is literally right here, guys. It almost reaches. We got to move the car back. Now that it's all welded up, it ain't the prettiest looking thing, but you know, I think it's cool. I think it's different. Real quick, we're just gonna put this hanger just so it doesn't bounce up and down. That'll do. I guess not then. Gonna let it idle, and then we'll give it a couple revs. She's idling now. Alright, y'all, that does it for this one. Got some stuff done on it. Stay tuned for the next one, because we're gonna start transforming this Jeep. It's gonna start going lower. So keep posted for that. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned.